place to spend a time because there are a lot of I think restaurants like Haldiram, Domino's. There are lots of you can eat. I think you can try many more. I think new things here.
I also heard of these things. I like. I will
Morning.
be.
How are you? Good, and you? I'm good, and today we are going to teach you how to talk with a stranger. Because I don't know how to talk with a stranger, but I know how to talk with non-person. So today I have selected two students, and one is Gayatri and second is Arjan, and they will teach you how to talk with a stranger and how to start to talk. So please enjoy this game and don't skip the video. Please watch complete video and definitely you will enjoy. So let's
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to tell about where is Saket?
Yeah, I know about the path of the Saket. I am going here, so you can walk with me also.
Okay. How many? Where is exactly like this?
Actually, I don't know about that much path, but yeah, I will took auto, so and I got go
Okay.
there.
By the way, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Gayatri. About you, sir?
My name is Arjan.
Okay,
And
so
where are you going there?
Saket.
Where are you going there? Why are you going there?
Okay, so there is I think a movie ticket. I purchased a movie ticket. I saw a Chava movie, so that's why I'm going there.
I heard of this movie. It's so good because
Yeah, really.
I have
This-
also watched this movie in the
Yeah.
Netflix.
This is an action movie. I like the history of the Chava, the Maharana, about the Maharana Pratap, and about the story. I want to. I think I have an interest, and I want to know about the whole story.
Okay, this thing like I also like this kind of things, but okay.
So from where you are?
I am from the UP, and where are you?
Okay, so I am from Uttarakhand. So why are you come here?
Because I went to my friend house and I want to explore the Delhi because it's so famous, and first things I want to go up PVR in Saket, this kind of
Okay,
things.
so this is a nice place to spend a time because there are a lot of I think restaurants like Haldiram, Domino's. There are lots of you can eat. I think you can try many more. I think new things here.
I also heard of these things. I like. I will do a lot of things is there. And by the way, tell about your family.
Okay, so about my family, I have 5 members in my family, including me, my mother, father, and my 2 sibling sisters. About your family, sir?
Like and to tell about my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a home baker. I'm a single child. And then more things about like which kind of thing do you like? What are you doing nowadays?
Actually, I am a primary teacher, and I just doing my school works and school stuffs. And what are you doing?
Nowadays, I am pursuing my college and things. I believe before the complete the graduation, I want to explore the things because it will be help to what should I do. Because many youngsters I see in my life, they do the work and they complete the graduation. After graduation, they always stuck what I supposed to do things. Because from my point of view, nowadays education is not a good for that things because if you have a good skills, you will be a going there.
Yeah, really, skills I think is very important for us because if I have skills, so that's why I have I think a great job.
Okay, how do you enjoy your life? Because you're a teacher, because you have a lot of things you have to handle your like a student.
Yeah, really, I enjoyed because I think I didn't think that much about my school stuffs, about my students. I just enjoy my job. I have a really interest to do these kinds of work. That's why I enjoy my life with my families, my friends, and my students also.
I have a doubt. Like when I was a student, I was so naughty. How do you handle a naughty boy in your school?
Yeah, I like naughty childs because they create a whole movement there. Really, I enjoyed with them.
So how do you handle that? They not work.
Okay.
It doesn't work.
So means I think like giving them some work, some activities like that. About you, sir?
Like I'm pursuing a college. I want to be a software engineer because in particular times AI, deep learning, this kind of field, if you go there, you will be earn a lot of money. This kind of mentality I also, but like some kind of skill I should have, like stand-up comedy, this kind of things. I want to like go there because in the PVR, there are kind of things they kind of show. I want to visit there.
Oh, really? If you go a PVR at night, really you enjoy the movement because I think the scenario of the PVR and the looking and the scene of the PVR is really great because there are a lot of stuffs there, crowds is there, which is taking burgers, and I like the PVR really at night. about your UP, sir.
Yeah, UP is so famous for the natural things. I've completed my UP board, and these kind of things. I always compare the board like CBSE board and UP board. From my point of view, UP board is so difficult than this. And the more things like I have a lot of things like especially like there are multiple places. It's represent a religious place.
Okay, so anything you I think very difficult from surviving in a UP, like the environment is good or bad, like a Delhi?
Yeah, because you know what, every state determine the own things. Like if you think about the Delhi, Delhi is represented by the thieves, this kind of problems, and if you talk about UP, there's a criminal case. But government working on these things. If you think about Yogi Adityanath doing this kind of things, and from my point of view, there's a lot of things has been completed by the Yogi.
Okay. What about your opinions? Like you come here and what you notice, what you observe about the Delhi?
I believe like every person is stuck own place. Like they are so concerned about own things. They are the pursuing. They don't have a time to talk anyone. They go to their office and they come. They don't have a work. They don't give a own self.
But you didn't observe the food of Delhi. Really, the food of Delhi is very amazing. The place you didn't observe that things. You observed
Like-
the bad things also.
Yeah, I like momos, this kind of things. I really like this, and the more things like momos and the historical place I like
Yeah.
the Red Forts.
There are many places which you want. You should, I think, try it at a one time, because there are many places like Rajput Nagars. There are many, I think, famous markets are there. I think you should try this.
Yeah.
You are come here. I think you are come here first time.
Yeah, this is the first time. I want to
Okay.
also explore the metro because it's so famous. It's especially Delhi represented by the metro.
This is very difficult to, I think, roaming here and there for you.
Yeah, this is a
Okay. So I hope you will like our video. So please like, comment,
Thanks.
and share. That's all.